If you have a Samsung Smart TV running on TizenOS and also a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or any other Samsung Android smartphone, then let me show you the quickest way to screencast or screen share any Android device to your Samsung TV in under a minute. To screencast your Android device to your Samsung TV, first of all, make sure that you're connected with the same Wi-Fi. And after that, if you have a Samsung smartphone, then just open the notification center, then expand the controls, and select Smart View or Mirror Screen. And in case you have other Android devices, then from the notification center, just search for Screencast or Cast. But if you don't see the option, then just go to the Edit menu by pressing on the pen icon, and then add it from the list of additional shortcuts. Now just tap on the screen mirroring option and you should see your Samsung Smart TV pop up here. You'll just need to tap on it, and for the first time you may need to enter a code or select Allow. And after that, just give it a few seconds, and now you can start mirroring your Samsung device or any other Android smartphone to your Samsung Smart TV. And when you're done screen mirroring, you can just open back the control center and from there tap on the screen mirroring option to turn it off. Or you can also use your Samsung remote to go back to the home screen. And that's so simply you can screen mirror your Android smartphone to your Samsung 4K Smart TV. If you found this useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more useful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.